How to remove 2 or more accounts from WhatsApp. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to remove 2 or more accounts from WhatsApp. So if you also are logged in with your WhatsApp account and you have more than 2 different accounts or like 2 accounts of WhatsApp on your device, then what you need to do is just open up your WhatsApp application, and once you make sure you are logged into one of your account, and once you're inside here, just tap on this 3 dot icon over here at the top and just click on settings. So once you click on settings, just click on this account section. So once you're inside here, you'll get the option to remove your account. So just tap on this remove your account, and from over here you will also get the button to remove your account, just like this, and it will once again ask you to remove. So just like that, click on remove and it will successfully remove this particular account from your device. So once you do all of that, it will re-log in or log you back to your another WhatsApp account if you also had it logged in before previously. But if you hadn't logged in any WhatsApp previously, then you may need to sign in from the beginning. So that is exactly how you can easily remove 2 or more accounts from WhatsApp. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.